Rita and her family got lucky in the New York State Lottery. Now she's looking for a vacation cottage for the little girls club she's got going here. How much are we spending? Come on, you got $5 million. Everyone out there wants to go, million.
I'd say under 200,000. Okay.
200,000, really?
Just to start with, because, I might not want to have more than one.
You will call me for that, right?
I will, absolutely.
Oh my gosh. We're getting started with Champlain Camp, 50 miles north of Rita's place, sitting on the gorgeous Lake Champlain. It's absolutely stunning, and right across the lake is Vermont. I mean, 2 states in one. Kind of awesome. Hello, hello.
Hi, David.
Hello. It's chilly. It's cold.
Yes,
so cold.
I'm wearing a puppet.
Did you steal that from a gorilla?
I did. A really fancy one.
Beautiful.
But I'm warm. Enough about me. What do you think of this beautiful little piece of property?
I like it.
Super cute.
Small and tidy, but that view. What do you think of that? Awesome. I mean, hello.
It's a little bit of a drive, but it's definitely worth it.
It is.
It's really nice.
Let me tell you a little bit about Champlain Camp. It's got 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. It's a whopping 760 square feet.
Perfect. Less to clean.
Nice and cozy.
And the price goes for $165,000. Before we get on the inside, before it gets dark, I say we go and check out the dock.
Okay.
Shall we?
Sounds great.
Go check it out. Careful, watch your step. Grab the gorilla.
Oh boy.
You go down, we're all going.
Yeah, exactly.
Woo! Oh, wow.
What do you think of the
But
view?
looking
It's
out there,
absolutely gorgeous.
Isn't it
spectacular.
Absolutely gorgeous.
It's really quite an amazing, spectacular view.
Wow.
Awesome.
I have never seen anything like this.
That's the response I was hoping for. But the perfect view isn't enough. These girls are also looking for the perfect rocking chair ready porch. Before we go on the inside, big wraparound deck. Perfect spot for rocking chairs.
Yes, absolutely.
Excellent.
Okay.
Come on in, guys.
Ooh, nice.
Boy, very nice.
It's cute, right?
It's very
Yes.
cute. Yes, it is.
Hey, it's got a good open space. It's got vaulted ceilings, got a lot of character. The property is pretty spectacular.
Yeah, it is beautiful.
The view
It's
is...
beautiful out there.
Anything I could show you different for the house tomorrow?
Maybe a little more rustic.
Absolutely. Rustic I can do.
Yes,
I
thank
say
you
we get
for bringing
out of
us here.
here. I think you guys
Okay.
owe me a hot chocolate.
I think so.
Let's get out of here.
Okay.
Around 40 miles north of Rita's place is Knotty Pine, sitting on one of the most picturesque lakes of them all. Scroon Lake.
Beautiful.
It is beautiful.
I love that. Like, it's so rustic. You're like, it's so beautiful.
No, I love it.
Now, I hear that Lake Scroon is so clean, you can drink out of it. Would you do it?
Sure.
I'm grabbing a cup. I'm going to
All
put you
right,
to the
challenge.
test.
We'll do it.
All right, let me tell you a little bit about the house. Knotty Pine has 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, has 1,100 square feet, and it goes for $199,000.
Ooh, wow.
It's not bad.
That's
Pretty
not
good.
bad at all.
All
We're
right.
up here.
Really?
Yes, it's definitely booming up here.
Love it. All right, let's
to
go
find
check
a
out the
place.
house.
Okay, sounds good.
Oh, I can't even walk. These things are so damn tight.
Ooh, look at this.
Cute, right?
Nice.
This is awesome.
Yeah, this is a screen-in porch, 3-season.
Like
Wire
it.
up.
Love it.
Good.
Yeah.
Rustic enough for you.
Yeah, yeah. It's a little wood. It's
Yeah,
good.
a little wood. Would you add
We
more?
need wood floors.
I agree.
Yeah, definitely
Why
need the
not?
wood floors. No, I like this. This is
Good. All right, let me show
very
you the
cozy.
inside.
Okay.
All right, this is our first bedroom and our largest bedroom.
Oh, this feels a little bigger and a little more campy. I mean, there's no windows, but that's okay.
This
Yes.
has expression and personality.
Exactly.
And it says camp.
It says camp. Ooh, look at this.
Oh,
Every
I love
room
the
gets a little
beams.
better. Oh, love
Good,
it.
good. Why don't you guys check out the master bedroom?
Oh, the master.
All right. Oh, this is so cute. Looks
Oh, it
like
is
I already
cute.
live here. Look at this.
It does. Look at
Look at my
that.
table and wow, this
Good.
is adorable. I like it. Love it.
Good. All right, let's continue. But when the girlfriends are all staying over, there's a 3rd bedroom. And the loft is a great way to use limited space for more sleeping option. What do you think of the house?
gorgeous. I really like it.
Good.
But
Good.
kind of at the top of the budget because
Right.
it's going to need some upgrades and some more room for.
Right. I know you
Yes.
really want to view for tomorrow, and I have a really great piece of property for you. It definitely needs some work.
Is it on the water?
It is on the water.
Okay.
Right up your alley.
Smack dab on it.
Okay.
Village for lunch.
Sounds great.
Some hot toddies.
Yes. Ooh, yes.
Okay. Sounds great.
The great part about Oak Grove is that it's only 30 minutes to where she lives now, so it's an easy little hike on the Hudson River. It's really quite spectacular. It's got 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, 836 square feet, and the price is $170,000.
That's not bad.
Improvements.
For water? You say there's water over there?
There is
Okay.
water. It's pretty incredible. This house to me is all about location, but I'm dying to show you the house and see what you think because it's a big project.
Okay.
Shall we look?
Sure.
Good.
Absolutely. Ready to get out of the screen.
Ready. Here we go. Ew. Come on in, guys.
Ooh. It's different.
Might need a little work.
Hey, a little work. This
We
is,
said fixer upper.
like I said before, this is all about the location. I mean, look.
Ooh, look at that.
That's what the focus is,
Absolutely.
which is fantastic. But we can make this fabulous. Fix the roof, beautiful wood floors. This is epic. We love this fireplace.
Absolutely.
Amazing
Ooh,
kitchen.
look at this. Woo.
This is character.
You say character, I say trash.
Got it.
Like you said, you required very few things. You
Yeah,
wanted
I have
a
very low
view
standards.
And plumbing.
Hey.
Ta-da!
Well, yay. Yeah.
Getting the plumbing hooked up out in the woods can be super expensive, so it's definitely a feature Rita was smart to insist on.
Lovely.
Fun, right?
Fantastic.
All right. These 2 bedrooms are small and very basic, but could easily be turned into one room by removing a wall.
I love a project.
This is a big project.
Yeah,
But the
this
great
is
thing about this is that, like, anything you do to it is just going to be a huge improvement.
right.
So you like it?
I got a good vibe. Yeah.
Good. All right, so I say we get out of this rain.
Okay.
Go grab a nice warm lunch.
Okay.
Shall we?
Yes.
All right. After you, ladies.
Thank you.
Have you guys made a decision?
I think so.
Spit it out.
Oak Grove.
Yeah.
I knew you were going to pick that one. It's a great house.
awesome.
Most people would have ran before they even saw the inside. Honestly.
That's why I love it.
I could tell you love to nurture things.
I love it.
And I love the layout there. I mean, it was completely open, so much room for improvement. You can
Yeah.
really go up. And the bedrooms can be maneuvered.
I can't wait for everybody to see it and to share. And
It's going to be fun.
Thank you.
Cheers. Congratulations.
thank you
Let's
so
go
much.
Get you this
It's
house.
been an absolute blast. Let's have a toast to Oak Grove and many years of fun and family and friends and woohoo! We finally got place on the river. Woo! A week with David was amazing.
It was a whirlwind.
So today we have the pleasure of having our friends and family, and our husbands are actually with us today. The original price was $170,000, and we got it for $155,551.
It all has to
Is that
do
right?
with lucky numbers.
I can see many girls' nights up here.
Yep.
Yes.